Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Marshall Tufton wireless Bluetooth speaker and you are trying to pair it with your iPhone, with your Android phone, your tablet, your PC, your computer, whatever. I'm going to show you how to do that pairing. Now once it's paired to it, when you turn it on, it will automatically connect to actually the last device, not just the last device, but the last two devices that you've been using on it. And but you might want to change devices or pair a new device or something like that. So it's really easy to do. All we need to do is make sure that the speaker is on. So we just need to turn this dial, make sure it's not all the way to the left. And then all we need to do is come over and press and hold the Bluetooth button for about 2 seconds until this Bluetooth indicator light right here starts to blink. Once that's blinking, then we can go on our phone or whatever to our available devices and select the Tufton from the list of devices. Once it's paired, it should automatically pair from there, and once it is paired, this will just go from blinking to a solid light. Now you can have up to 2 things paired, so then you can pair something else and then have 2 things paired, and then if you're playing on one and then you play on the other, it will just automatically pause the other one and start playing on that speaker. And then if you pair something new, it will knock off the older of the 2 pairings, and then you'll have a new device paired. So anyways, that should all be working. If you're having any issues with the pairing not working, it's something stuck paired to or not pairing, I suggest you do a factory reset, and I'll put a link in the description to how to do the factory reset. And if this worked for you, I'd really appreciate it if you could leave me a like on the video. Thanks a lot.